Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your Facebook friends list on desktop. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, open your browser and go to facebook.com. Then log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture or your name at the top to open your profile page. On the left sidebar, scroll down a bit until you see the Friends section. Click Friends there. Once you're on your Friends page, scroll down a little until you see the three-dot icon on the right side of the screen. Go ahead and click on that, and from the menu that appears, choose Edit Privacy. A small window will pop up showing different privacy options. Here, you'll see an option that says, Who can see your friends list? Click on the drop-down menu beside it, and you'll see several options, like Public, Friends, and Only Me. To completely hide your friends list, select Only Me. After that, press Save, and your changes will be applied immediately. And that's it. You've learned how to hide your Facebook friends list from everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.